exposure to extreme environments, weather, dangerous terrain. These are all challenges that heavy machinery must overcome in large-scale mining and excavation sites. Earth movers like bulldozers, motor graders, excavators, and others are the workhorses of the mining industry. When these machines go down, work grinds to a halt. Fuel and hydraulic tanks are particularly vulnerable to deterioration. Because fuel tanks sit between the front and rear wheels, damage from debris that chips away exterior paint and invites corrosion is a constant problem. Regular paint or two-part urethane coatings don't last long in these conditions and require recoating. A solution was needed to provide an increased lifespan to heavy machinery and minimize maintenance costs. Line-X XS350 is a two-component pure polyurea coating that offers impact and corrosion protection to metal substrates. When the tanks arrived at the Line-X application center for assessment and preparation for sandblasting, they were generally in poor condition and had remediation work done prior to arriving. Sandblasting is required to remove existing rust and provide a surface profile for a primer to be applied. Depending on client requirements, the tanks were either partially coated or fully encapsulated in XS350. For partial coverage, the two ends and the top of the tanks were primed and painted in the required finish. Then the painted surface was remasked before priming the remaining area with FCP, followed by the application of Line-X XS350. From start to finish, each fuel tank took between 2 and 3 days to complete. Applicators coated tanks with XS350 in black at a thickness of 4 mm plus texture. Next, a final UV-stable topcoat completed the process, giving the fuel tanks a durable outer shell to prevent damage and corrosion, as well as UV protection to mitigate fading and damage from the sun. The results have been outstanding. The durable Line-X application resulted in repeat business from mining companies. The Line-X application procedure proves that fuel tanks coated in XS350 last significantly longer in service and reduce maintenance costs. Visit our website or contact us today to find out more. Line-X Australia. Don't just protect it. Line-X it.